Enjoying the rains, definitely enjoying rains is really a pleasing thing, but sometimes when the rain is too much, it's too much of flooding of rains, the roads are full of water, and that's not pleasing many times. But it's fine, we have to take rain in the nature with the pride. If we take rains with pride, we can overcome corona. So it's fine, you have to take everything with pride. It's okay, people must be having functions today like me, so we have to postpone these to some other day. So okay, fine, we enjoy the rains and we'll take the function to some other day. We have the strength to take corona, then what's the rain? Okay, let's start with the special day. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Rajni Sharma Madan. If every day is so special, what makes November 7th a special day? So let's start. Number one, it's a zero tasking day. When daylight saving times changes, we are sometimes gifts with an imaginary. Such imaginary extra hours or the 0 hours tasking day encourages us to take the opportunity to use that hour for the personal growth, relaxation, and basically just take care of me, that is ourselves. So I upload my videos on a special day, food, traveling, and many more. If you're following me, thanks for following me, and if you're not following me, you can follow me because I upload every day special day and make your day special day. Number two, National Hug a Bear Day. Hugging a bear does not mean hugging big fussy beast, what you see in jungles, but instead your favorite fussy knights of yours, sometimes called by name Teddy. Number three, Orphan Sunday. It is a time to stand up for the orphans of the world. In truth, there are likely no more vulnerable human beings in the entire world than those thousands upon thousands of children in this world who have no mother or children due to all sorts of tragedies they have occurred in their lives. So on this day, you can just go to orphan, you can spend some time with the orphans, give them some food. Number 4, National Bittersweet Chocolate with Almonds Day. I was just googling this thing. I just found out on the 10th of November again you have a chocolate day. So I think so you have so many chocolate days, you can make your day a special day by having chocolates. And today is a bittersweet chocolate day. So on this day is sponsored by the National Confectionery Association. It's primarily an online celebration involving dark chocolate or almonds lovers. So online you can just order online and make it popular. Enjoy your bittersweet chocolate. Spend some time in orphanage. So have a great and a pleasant day. See you tomorrow. It's raining heavily. Take rains with the pride. It's okay. If we can face corona, then we can face rains too. Thank you. Have a pleasant day. Enjoy the rains. And see you tomorrow.